The next 30 days is going to be the first 30 days of the rest of your life. Wow, what a brainwave I am. So they say that a habit on average takes about 19 days to form. I don't know if that's true. I think it takes longer for me personally. And so 30 days is a nice digestible number. And when I first got into the business of natural health and residual natural organic wealth, it helped me out to look at it in little increments. Maybe 30 days at a time is a digestible piece. And even if me personally, my habits weren't really formed yet, where it was automatic, at least I could digest that and then the next 30, or maybe blocks of 5 or 10 or 20 days, whatever it takes. Maybe each minute is a block that has to be digested. But the idea there is to make it digestible so that you do it long enough to form a habit, whatever it is. And so specifically for this particular live feed, this is an invitation for you. If you're interested in natural organic health and wealth and merging the two, it's a beautiful marriage. It gives you more options in life, many more options that other people don't have. Then private message me and I'll send you a blog I typed up about it, or a video, or both, whatever you prefer. You can also drop a comment if you want, and I'll get it to you either way. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.